Hey, this is Zero Gravity with the Minecraft map, The Lonely Island. So basically, you're spawned in this big island and you're surrounded by water. And you have to gather materials and see what you can do with the island. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is grab some dirt to make a cobblestone generator out of. And use the bucket and make it with the lava that's spawning next to me, and I'm out of breath. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. So we can take this and that and this, and we gotta get some more dirt. Okay, so my cobblestone generator is a little messed up, but it's gonna be an easy fix. Just have to get a couple more blocks, and we have to do that, cut it off, and we have to, I'm gonna try to get in here and close that off. Oh jeez, my tree is starting on fire. Okay. Alright, so there, it works. So we would mine that out, and then we would get our cobblestone. But right now, we need to focus on getting this tree, and we get our sapling. So now we can have a tree farm. So we're gonna mine out this wood. And I almost got it. Alright, there we go. So we gotta take the wood, the crafting bench, make a couple of sticks, and a pickaxe to get the cobblestone with. Okay, I'm gonna close this up, it's really annoying. Okay. It's one. Oh. Okay. It's a little faulty, but it still works. That's enough to make a stone pickaxe. And when I was mining down here, I saw some iron. I'll get that later. See if we can get any more saplings from in here. Alright, no more saplings, but that's okay. We have that one now. And we should get some more stone for some stone tools. Alright, we almost have enough. That should be good. Okay, make some more sticks. And we'll make sword. And another pickaxe. Right, my next goal is to make a spot for the animals. So you come with 2 cow spawns. I'm going to make a very small cage for them with some cobblestone. As soon as I'm done with this animal cage, I'm going to call it an episode. And we'll continue it later on. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's way too small. Whatever. This is kind of boring, I know, so we'll just try to figure it out. It's almost done. Oh, come on, egg. Oh my gosh. Having terrible egg right now. Okay, a little better. We need 2 more cobblestone. Actually, we'll need a little more, but... Come on. Let's all fall into the lava. Okay, get up here. And make a spot for here. And maybe extend this a bit. Okay, 2 more, then we're good. There. So we're gonna come up here, spawn in our 2 cows. And the next thing we have to make is a home, so we can get seeds to breed our cows. So, see you guys next time.